Hey everybody, how's it going? So I got a quick unboxing to do on this item I picked up from eBay. It's more than likely an item for the 2000 limited 4Runner that I just picked up. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. What is up everybody, how's it going? Alright, before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe, and smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Alright, so this is going to be a quick unboxing. My guess is this is the antenna mast, which is not the whole motor assembly, it's just the antenna. And this should be a Toyota part. Not an aftermarket part. A lot of the things I got off eBay were Toyota OEM stuff. Yep, does look like this is the mast. Okay. The motor in the truck that I just purchased, the 2000 limited 4x4, the motor, the antenna mast motor seems to be functioning. It's trying to push an antenna up. It does have an antenna in it, but it doesn't want to move up for some reason. And this is the rod and pipe shield, which is also considered the mast. This is a genuine Toyota part. It is 86337-35111. So the way the systems work is there's a gear that runs this cable, this plastic mast cable up and down, and it basically moves the stem, the metal stem. So I know that it has a functioning motor. You know, who knows, I might have to buy the motor, I don't know. But I figured, you know, this was like, I think 50 bucks. 58 bucks for the mast, where the motor and the mast and everything from even just Toyota is $260 something. So to me, it was easier to go the cheaper route. You know, maybe I get lucky and I can get the mast out. I can slide the new one in and it's good. If not, well then I have to replace the whole thing. And if I'm going to do that, I'm going to rip it off of my SR5 and then buy a new one for my SR5 later, because it's not on the road no more. But it is just a quick video. Brand new genuine Toyota OEM 1996 to 2002 4Runner power antenna mast, 86337-35111. So Toyota calls it a rod and pipe shield. Any average person that looks that number up is going to be like, I'm looking for the antenna mast. But you know, just a quick video. I'm not going to open it right now. I'm waiting for parts to come in, waiting for a steering rack, a power steering reservoir, and pump, and I'm waiting for tie rod ends to come in, as well as the power steering pressure line and the return line, because it's completely leaking on that truck that I just picked up, which was fine because it was told to me in the inspection that it was leaking. So starting to pick up parts to get those replaced. Need to pick up some valve covers, but I'll do that later. The valve covers are actually cheaper than the power steering alone. But just a quick video on this. If you guys need this, here is the part number. Instead of me rereading it to you guys, I'll just hold it here for a second. If you guys want to pause the video, you can. Appreciate you guys stopping by. Please like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Let me know if you would like to see, you know, maybe me record a few minute video of putting this in, seeing if it works. You can leave a comment down below if you guys want to see that. Appreciate you guys stopping by. Please Like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!